So this is how the gaming looked like on my 130-inch projector screen with the home theater setup and the PlayStation 5 connected. But I think 130 inches is not enough, so let's bring the Vision Pro here. And there you go. Now I have the massive screen. I think it's about like 170 inches. I can create much bigger screen out of the Apple Vision Pro. So gaming is pretty fun. If you guys want to know how to do this, let me know in the comment section. It is my PlayStation 5 and I'm playing this Spider-Man Miles Morales on the Apple Vision Pro. So pretty neat. I love the gameplay and huge screen. And if I want to make it bigger, I just have to look there and it becomes really huge. I think I can keep stretching it.
Hey, Spider-Man.
This is the maximum it will stretch. And you can see the comparison. That is the 130-inch screen behind it, right there.
That's part of Kwanzaa.
And this is
The punk rock.
the maximum I can go on this. Right there.
All that swinging
Here's
must be
difference,
tiring.
right? So enjoy the gaming on the Apple Vision Pro.